Hello there, my dear friends, my name is Vladimir and I welcome you to the Russian Traders channel. Today we're gonna trade, analyze and earn some huge profits, so get ready and fasten your seatbelts and make sure you leave a thumbs up because this one's gonna be hot. Let's go!
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
Here, what do we got? We have a pretty obvious downgoing trend, guys, and you see we are opening a sell trade. You will ask me why not a buy trade if the trend is downgoing at the moment, for example. But here the thing is that fractal is helping us to understand whether the trend will continue to fall down or it will change the direction. That's why fractals in such kind of situations are very useful over here. And meanwhile, zigzag is still giving us another one evidence. Okay, yeah, the first one trade is closed. Very good, almost doubled our balance from the first one trade, and I think we will have the very good one session over here. Okay, let us check out another one pair and see what do we have. Alright, here we have upgoing trend. You see, for example, if we were at 1509, we would have the similar situation at the previous trade. All right, let us see. Yeah, okay, cool. But here we also had this kind of fractal, but the thing is that we had only green candles and going upwards, which means that the trend changed already. So that's why basically we are entering in the continuation of upgoing trend. But here there was a thing that we had the middle line of the downchain channel over here, which is a very strong resistance level right now at the moment. That's why I was thinking too much about whether we should open a buy or sell trade, because once the price is reaching out to the resistance levels, it has the tendency to reverse, at least for the short period of time. Here we actually reversed. You see, we reached it, the shadow of the candle reached the middle line, then we went back, had one small red candle formed, we had rebound, and right now the price is continuing its direction. So that's quite normal behavior of the price when it reaches such kind of levels of support or resistance. Yeah, the trade is closed, plus $90 on our balance, very good. I think right now we can check out another one pair. So let's open a sell trade. We're enter short. Yeah, the trade is closed, 162. Well, not bad. That I'm giving maximum I can give you here in these videos, but if you wanna start practicing but you can't start practicing yourself when you are alone, I know this feeling, that's normal. I'm giving you this kind of solution. Check it out, make sure you'll find lots of useful information over there, except for signals, of course. Well, formed already, and here this is the moment when the price reaches the resistance level and starts to rebound and change its direction. So we will have the downgoing trend right now, at least until the middle line of the channel. I think actually we will break out through the middle line as well, but let's not guess, let's just make our profits in this one-time minute period of time, and after that we can tell. What else can we do with this one graph. Sometimes when you enter a trend at the very beginning, just like here for example, and you see the evidence of your assumptions, you can enter the second time, the third time, and enter into the continuation of a trend if you see it. Sometimes the situation is not that obvious and it is better to change the pair. That's why basically let's wait for the first one trade to be closed and then we will see. Okay, yeah, pretty obvious situation here. Yeah. So right now we are getting closer to this middle line, which is the support level. Let's see how the price will behave it over here in this zone. Very interesting, each time as the first time. Well, yeah, the trade is closed, 291. Very good. Yeah, very good. Oh, by the way, we doubled. Oh, sorry, doubled. We already made 10 times more than we started with. I mean, the balance. Yeah, good sign. We had the lower fractal, and we started to go up, just as I told you at the very beginning. But here you will also consider the technical analysis, all right? So we will have this channel right now. I will show you. Let me. So yeah, the price is oscillating in this one channel, and what's happening right now, the price is going over the channel. That's not normal behavior. If we will have another one candle formed over this one channel, that would be chance 1 to million, I think. But you see what's already happening. Quite normal behavior, quite normal situation. And here I think right now many people will close trades with the minus profits, because it's not obvious over here. 546 plus on our balance, good, done. Maybe one more, guys, maybe one more. Yeah, let's check out one more, and let's see if we can enter something interesting, open a trade, and let's do it. If no, then we will stop, because I'm always telling you guys, you should not be greedy. Let's check out. Yeah, we got it. So this is the time to open a buy trade. This is the time to open a buy trade. You see, the red candle had not time to be formed. It first it was a red one, so the sellers were taking the power, but the buyers took the power afterwards, and right now we have the continuation of upgoing trend right now over here. So this means that we will go upper over the middle line once again right now, and that's why basically we enter the trade over here right now. So while we are waiting, guys, let me summarize. If you need some additional info, if you need to feel some support that you are not alone because you can't find power in yourself to start practicing when you're alone, if you need signals to start practicing at least with someone, absolutely free, you will find all this information over here in my Telegram channel. The link is down below. Make sure you check it out. Here I think this one will be last for today, because we already did a lot. Well, actually, yeah, 800 on our balance. We started 900, sorry, on our balance. We started with only $25, guys. That's the best I could do here for this one session. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and are subscribed not to miss my future videos. This was Vladimir, Russian trader. See you in the next one video.